Zettle by PayPal Finance Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think small business payment solutions are all the same, but Zettle offers a powerful, flexible system for merchants. Zettle provides mobile point-of-sale solutions, card readers, and inventory management tools. One standout feature is integration with PayPal, allowing payments online and offline, automatic reconciliation, and quick access to funds. Most people get this wrong. They assume card readers are enough. The surprising truth is that Zettle also offers invoicing, sales analytics, and tax reporting, helping small businesses manage operations efficiently. The platform supports multiple currencies and contactless payments for smooth customer experiences. Another advantage is ease of setup. The app and card reader can be connected within minutes, and sales data syncs automatically with PayPal accounts. This reduces bookkeeping effort and simplifies tracking performance. However, there are considerations. Transaction fees apply, and some advanced features like multi-location inventory require higher-tier subscriptions. Device compatibility may vary, so checking supported devices is important. In conclusion, Zettle by PayPal is a strong choice for small and medium businesses seeking a simple, integrated payment and sales solution. It combines flexibility, analytics, and ease of use, but review fees and features before committing. Subscribe for more honest finance tool reviews before choosing a POS system for your business.